Hello, Internet. I'm Steven Steele. Welcome to this episode of me teaching you how to do something you probably already know how to do. This is actually, I'm going to teach you how to get free ringtones for your iPhone. Exciting. Let's see what day. This is being posted on December 12th, so I'm making this, 2 weeks in advance. I'm good. So let's get started right here. You want to go to Audiko.net. I'll put it in the description, but usually I forget because it's like so much later. I forget what to put in the description. So remember this, Audiko.net right here. Audiko.net right there. I'll probably zoom in on it, whatever. Okay. What you want to do when you get to this website, you want to go on YouTube to like your favorite song. I'm just using this as an example. Rihanna, What's My Name featuring Drake. Enter the URL. Paste, upload. And then we're going to let this upload. I'm going to cut to when it finishes. We are just about done right here, and once it's fully uploaded, it will take you to another screen where you will be able to select the part that you want in as your ringtone. Okay, now we're here, and randomize any part, fade in, fade out, make it smaller, 30 seconds max. Then I want to press create ringtone. Edit. And we are finished. Now, we want to download it. Show in Finder. Drop that to the desktop. Oops. Put that down there. Bring up iTunes. Open up iTunes. Then I am going to find wherever it is. Where is it? Where could it be? I'm going blind right now. Just download this again. Open Finder. Desktop. Replace. Where? I can't even find it. Okay, so right here, we found it. And then you want to go to Ringtones. Take it from desktop, drag it right here, and when you plug in your iPhone, it will automatically sync, and it will be under custom when you go into settings, sound, ringtone. Hope I helped you out. If I did, remember to subscribe up there and watch my other videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.